If you want to make jump rings out of a paper clip, we're just going to open up the paper clip. You can either do it by hand or you can use your flat pliers to open it up. And then you need a round form. You can use a knitting needle, a crochet needle, a nail, or a pen, and just wind it around so it's a full circle. And we're just going to hold this and bend this back and forth to snap it off. You can also use a flush cutter, and then we're going to hold this on the other side so this end lines up with the cut end. Bend it back and forth and it makes a nice little cut. And then for the jump ring, when you attach it to something, all you're going to have to do is like close it up so these ends line up. You can flatten it out a little bit more too. So again, we're going to take our round form, bring it around, take this end, bend it back and forth to cut it, hold this on the other side, bend it back and forth, and then close it up. You can also take your round pliers and right at the end, you can take the end and wind it around. This way you have a little less waste, so it goes all the way around. And then take your flush cutters and you're going to want to cut it there. I don't want to ruin my good flush cutters, so I'm going to do the same method where I bend this back and forth, close it up, and there we were able to get 3 jump rings out of 1 paper clip.